Hello friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a plugin that I've been using recently. I checked the quality and the potentials of this plugin and I really like it. It's Inflator. It is assumingly a replicate from another plugin that works really good. But who cares from which plugin it has been replicated? It's free and easy to use. This one was the original one and the name is here. This one is a custom theme, something like that. So I'm using this plugin to make my mastering sound louder, and this song is what I've released yesterday. I copied the project to manipulate whatever there is and don't mess up the original project. So this is Shayad Mix Toots. I'm terrible at naming, you know. And I have the K meter here. It is a free meter too that is really lovely and I use it every time I'm doing mastering or whatever comparison that needs exact amount of loudness or gains. You have seen me using this in tutorials, by the way. This song is loud enough as much as I want to, but I wanna show you how to get louder and how much you can actually get louder. The chorus is the loudest part, but I will start from before chorus.
سرمایه کنونی من آدمیم تنها آدمیم گم شده ریشه و از جا کن من آدمیم تنها آدمیم گم شده دنبال بهونه است که به خودشم پشت کنه وجود تو مرهمه.
As you can see, average is struggling and is not reaching much of a red zone, and it's mostly on the green zone. So this green zone is where you can trust and the loudness is loud enough. But in loudness war, we are mostly on the red spot. But I'm not trying to win any loudness war. I'm trying to have a great song and a clean mix or whatever I've tried to reach or achieve here. So I don't really care about loudness war. But in the chorus, we are mostly on the red zone.
نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط خاطره ها و حسامون یه گوشه خاک خورد کسم و بی تو کلاهم رو باد برد جمعه ها بیدار میشی کنار.
So it's really loud compared to verses, and this video's target is reaching even louder mix. So this mastering has some room, some capacity to be compressed more. So I will do this in the chorus because chorus is the loudest part.
نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط خاطره ها و حسامون یه گوشه خاک خورد کسم و بی تو کلاهم رو باد برد جمعه ها بیدار میشی کنار اون شاید الان راضی نموندی کنارم و رفتی خیلی راحت از اون روزای خوبمون نمونده چیزی واسط خاطره ها و حسامون یه گوشه خاک خورد کسم و بی تو کلاهم رو باد برد جمعه ها بیدار میشی کنار اون شاید الان راضی تر از قبلی.
So I'm much louder than I was and it is really hitting hard. So which one is better? These two plugins are my new loudness dudes and I really like them. Especially K-meter, the inflator is new. I installed it, I checked it. I want to remove it and then I said to myself, it's amazing. What do you want? It's great. Just use it. I used it several times, checked on different places like drums and different materials, and I heard that it's working great. So where I stand on the loudness war, I rather keep things loud enough and separate enough, because as much as you compress, audio materials are pushed together and they are compressed, so you will hear less separation between them. It depends on the style, on even composing materials. So if the composing instruments are not good enough, warm enough, high quality enough in the mix, you can't reach louder mixes and you need to do more saturation on the audio materials that are not warm enough or powerful enough. You may need to amp some audio materials to make them stronger and bigger. So anywho, this tutorial was about these two great plugins, and I wanted to show you Inflator and how it can reach really loud mixes, really loud exports, whatever. So the clip prevents the whole song, the whole audio material to pass a defined point like this one that I have set here. Yes, when you compress mastering really loud, you better have more room on the output stage, like here. And you better use a meter like K meter from Martin Zuther to see true peaks. Normal peaks aren't really important on the mastering. True peak is so important though. It will help you understand how much clipping you have that you shouldn't have any on the mastering stage. This will clarify the path you are taking, and it will help you make sure what is going on in the loudest parts. So my friends, we have reached the end. Please subscribe and follow for more tutorials.